Big and black. Wow. Wish I had better light in here.
Oh, check out this fan.
Wow. That thing looks like a space machine. Size of that thing.
So that should be, it should be able to spin at a lower RPM so it's quieter when you're recording.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Yeah.
And it's got another one in the back.
Yeah, and the front.
And the front. 3 fans in
And
it.
the top.
4 fans. Wow. Well, those.
Yeah, there's one there.
Yeah. Huh.
It lights up.
The fan lights up.
Yeah, all 3 of them.
It's like Christmas. What is it you said the RAM is?
8 gigs
All right.
of DDR3 1600. Should help.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's going to be quite an upgrade from what I've got. What's in there now?
2 gigs.
2 gigs.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's the mama board. Building a computer on the kitchen table. Reminds me of the old days when we used to work on motors in the living room floor.
Yeah, being brave, doing it in socks, no wrist wrap.
Yeah.
But it's not cold in here, it's pretty warm.
Well, let's take a look at what we have here. My son pretty well got this thing put together last night, and he just plugged in everything and made sure everything works, and he's going to come back Saturday and install the OS and tidy up all the wiring and make sure nothing gets into a fan or any of that stuff. And you know, one thing that my son is really good at, and I'm not, he's good at reading and researching things, and if he goes to buy something, he'll research it. I mean, he always gets the best bang for the buck, and I'm not that good at that. I'm just a hunter, you know. If I want to go shopping for something, I just go in the store and kill it and drag it out, and I'm done, you know. And I don't always get the best deal. I just get what I want and go. And he's so much better at that. I'm real proud of him for that. So, you know, this is not top of the line. We set a budget, and then he did all the research and got the best he could and to stay within that budget, and that's great. Yeah, I've never needed a Mercedes to make me happy. An old Chevy will do the job, as long as it's a good one. So I think this is going to be a pretty good one. You computer guys are going to laugh at me because I marvel at this stuff. It's been several years since I've messed with inside of a computer much, and you know, I don't know if I ever built one from scratch, but I kind of always understood how they went together, and I've you know, I've done a lot of upgrades and replaced components and this and that, and so able to get around inside them a little bit. But this thing to me is like the difference between looking under the hood of a 2012 Honda and looking under the hood of that old 56 Chevy out there. I just marvel at how things have changed since I messed with them. Like, for instance, the RAM has its own heat sink, and the processor has its own heat sink and fan, and it's got a solid state hybrid hard drive. Everything goes together so easily. They used to have to take 100 screws out to do anything, and now you just grab a couple of clips and slide it out and twist a dial, and that one's out, and everything's so easy. One thing that was important to me was a good video card. So, you know, he says it's not top of the line, but it's in the upper half, and that's okay. But it's got its external power supply. It has its own heat sink, its own fan. It's got a 10-port exhaust. It's got a turbocharger. It's fuel injected. I think it'll do a good job. So that's kind of what we're looking at here, a variable speed fan. I don't know how they build these cases for 50 bucks. It's got everything you need, 4 fans and variable speed, and just amazes me how they can put them together for that amount of money. I think that's a pretty good deal. But anyway, I'm real proud of the way he shopped around, and he ordered components from different places and just got the best he could for the budget that we had, and I think I'm going to be very pleased. I will I did a little comparison. I did a little clip of my video rendering and how long it's taking and such with my old computer, and which it's 6 years old, I guess. My newest computer is about 6 years old. So this is quite an upgrade from that. And when we get it all up and running, I'll do a little comparison video of the video rendering process and see what we come up with. Okay, sorry to bore you, but this was kind of interesting to me. Just thought we'd take a look. See ya.